Today I'm going to be doing the reflection question for October 26 to October 30. The question is, reflect on any annotated bib struggles or ideas and consultant meetings. So for my annotated bib, I had various struggles, but one of the main struggles that I had was trying to find good sources. So I had the majority good sources. Like I would say about 25 of them were really well written sources, very reliable, at least that I could find the credentials. However, the other 10 weren't as reliable, and that caused some problems because I wanted to find the majority reliable, because then again I'm going to be using it for my research paper, so the reason for it is to find reliable sources, so to save myself some time. But I couldn't find that many, and EBSCO disappointed me because I couldn't find many sources on EBSCO. I think I only found like 5, and that was really disappointing because EBSCO made my life easier because it would just present everything. It would present the credentials. It was very reliable, so it would save me time when I was doing my annotated bib. But many of the times when I reached that number 5 with the annotated bib, I was done. EBSCO did not have any more sources that were relevant to mine. And in addition, another issue was that many of my sources, I had some very good sources, but the only issue was that when they would mention a study, they wouldn't mention who conducted the study, what was the name of the study, and that really frustrated me because I would want to look more into depth to the study, because I think that with that, if they conducted this investigation and I want to see how the setup is, the control variables, I think that would have helped me a lot, but many of them lacked the name, so I couldn't really find. I think that only 3 of my sources actually mentioned the name of a study and who conducted the study. For my consultant meeting, I had it via email, but I'm also trying to look into finding more consultants. I already contacted about 3, but they haven't answered. But the consultant meeting went pretty well. I had to ask a question on and ideas for the surveys, because I had an idea for the survey I wanted to do in the study, but I wanted to see if it would be okay, so I presented some of the information to my consultant. So that concludes my reflection question.